Hey friends, if you encounter critical error, your start menu isn't working, we'll try to fix it the next time you sign in. Then please watch this video, I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and go to the Task Manager. Let it load, it needs a while. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Okay, so this is the first solution. The next solution will be as follows. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Then you can update Windows. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. And the last one is to restart your computer. So right click on the start button. Select shutdown and sign out and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.